Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you another basket that I made. This fabric was so pretty that I wanted to make sure I fussy cut a little piece out of it. I took some ribbon and added some ribbon to it. So come along with me and let me show you how I put this all together. Put my machine on zigzag stitch. I have the length on the highest length and the widest width. I put a little piece of tape around the end of the rope. That gives it a nice clean edge when you cut it off. I cut most of the tape off. Then I like to make a circle and try to make the circle as big as you can. It just makes it easier to get the circle going once you put it underneath your foot. Put that down and then I zigzag all over it so I can get it where it's nice and secure and it's not going to pop up anywhere. I find that just going back and forth really helps secure it. Just anything that you see that pops up, just keep going over it. And then once you get that done, it goes really easy. You just want to keep it going, just like I'm doing here, until you get the size that you want. Now I'm just going to fussy cut a piece off and place it on the rope. Now I will just add the zigzag stitch to stitch it down. I knew I wanted to use this ribbon, but I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to use it, and I decided to use about 3-inch pieces all the way around the bowl, attaching them with the sewing machine. To make sure that I got them even, I went ahead and pinned them in. And now slowly I'm going to add them in with a zigzag stitch. And now to finish it off, I'm going to go over under with this method. I like to go over the ribbon, and then when I come back around, I'll go under and keep doing that until I run out of ribbon. And now to finish it off, I am going to cut strips at 3/4 of an inch, and the remaining piece of rope that I have there, I am going to wrap it with this fabric, and then I'm going to sew that down to the bowl. I like to cut it on an angle, add a little bit of glue, and then put it on the rope. And I like to pin it just for a little bit. It only takes about a minute, and then you can remove the clip. To make sure I have enough of the rope wrapped, I like to pin it and see where I'm at. And just like that, it is ready to be sewn down, so I will take it back to the sewing machine. And I need just a little bit more wrapped to finish it off. I really like finishing my bowls off this way. I love using these little snaps and I put them on to just kind of help end the rope. I will add a link to all the things that I'm using today. And then I just like to put a little bit of glue there and then I wrap it up into a circle. I put it on there and add my snap for the ending. This was such a fun one to make today. I want to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. At the end of this video, I will put up two of my other videos if you'd like to click on them.